Hello and good day, grade 6 students. How are you today? So I hope you're doing fine, great, and good. So today our discussions is all about classroom or on-site class greetings. Why teacher? Because right now we are in the on-site. Okay, so we must change something. Okay, next is introduction about the subject. Okay, so introduction about the subject, knowing your subject, what is the meaning of your subject, and classroom rules and regulation. Okay, so we have the rules, especially when you are in the work in your house. So your mom and dad have the rules in your house. So maybe you must to clean, and every weekend, so you must to cook, you must to wash the plate. So that is the rules. Okay, next, grading evaluation. Okay, so that is the time we evaluate your grades. So we give you a score. So where do we get that score? Okay, and next, proper leave taking. So when the class is finished, how do you greet your teacher? Okay, to say goodbye. Okay, so that is our discussions for today. So if we cannot finish this one, we can continue in another day. Okay, so are you ready? So this is me, your teacher. Remember this picture. If you see this one, I'm the one who speak. And if you see this one, you are the one who speak. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, again. Yes, I am. Very good. Okay, so what is classroom or on-site class greetings? Okay, so what is classroom or on-site class greetings? So it is a polite words. Okay, it is a polite words that used to said. Okay, at the classroom before the class will start. Okay, so it's a polite word, so it's a good word that we use. Okay, we apply to say at the classroom. Okay, so the room that where you're learning, where you meet your people, your teacher. Okay, when the class is not yet start. Okay, so before the class will start. Okay, first, the after that is a class. Okay, so we use that one first. Okay, before the class will start. So when the class is not yet starting. Okay, so next. Here. Okay, so this is me, your teacher. Remember, I'm the one who speak. If you see this picture, and you're the one who speak. If you see this picture. So everybody, please stand up. Okay, so for those students who don't know what is stand up, so this is the stand up here. Okay, so good afternoon, grade 6 students. Okay, so again, good afternoon, grade 6 students. Okay, so I'm great to you. Good afternoon, grade 6 students. So good afternoon. Okay, so how do you respond? Good afternoon, teacher. Okay, so that is the response. So this is you here. So you must respond, good afternoon, teacher. Okay, so next. Okay, so this is you. Okay, so from Patum 6 to Mateum, so you're the one who need to ask me, how are you, teacher? Okay, or how are you today, teacher? Okay, so this is you now, and this is me here. Okay, so, okay, students, how do you greet me? Okay, so you must say, how are you today, teacher? Okay, again. How are you today, teacher? Okay, so I'm going to respond, I am great. Okay, I am great. Or I'm great, thank you. And you? So I'm great too. If you're great, if you're the same. But if you're good, so no need to say too. So too, it means also. You're great also. So you can say, I'm good, I'm happy, I'm okay. So if you say, I'm bad, I feel bad. Okay, so that is different. Okay, so you must have a reason for that one. So you must have a reason, and it can create a conversation between you and me. So everybody, please sit down. Okay, so everybody, please sit down. So you must to go sit down here. Okay, so everybody, please sit down. So you sit down. Okay, so this see, so the body here. Okay, so sit down. So everybody, please sit down. Okay, next. Okay, introducing ourselves. So what is introducing ourselves, teacher? So knowing each other. Okay, you must know my name. I must know your name. So it's not okay that I'm just talking and we finish all the same and then you don't know my name. So you must know my name. Okay, my name is Habi. Okay, what is your name? Okay, my name is Natapom. My name is Orawansa. My name is Nadia. Okay. My name is what? Pontip. My name is Orawansa. Okay. So next, this one here. What is your student number? Okay. So what is your student number? So your number in the class, my student number is 10. My student number is 1. To Teacher Habi, my student number is 100. Example for Teacher Habi. Okay. So this is you, the student. Okay. So you're the one who need to speak this one. Okay, so don't forget. So that is the pattern, okay, in our classroom. But this one, if we are in the on-site, we're not often asking this one. But when we are in the online, so I'm often asking this one. Okay, so next. Okay, so what subject are you studying in our class? So what subject are you studying in our class? Or you are taking in our class? So we are you taking or you're studying English subject. Don't forget this one, English subject. So your main English teacher is teacher Ann or teacher Nam. Okay, so don't forget about that is your subject. Maybe you say math. No, it's wrong. Okay, so this is your subject. Okay, next. Okay, so what is English subject? So English subject, this is a universal language that can use to communicate or interact to other people in other countries. So the same meaning. Okay, so I say universal, so it means everywhere at any time. Okay, so a universal language, a universal language. Okay, so it means all around. Okay, everywhere, anytime that you can okay apply to communicate or to talk or interact or to make friends or relation to other people, people that you don't know, other people, okay, in other countries like China, like Japan, like America, okay, Russia, Netherlands, okay, so Paris, okay, so all of that one, okay, so they learn English subject so you can communicate. Okay, so there is a place so never learn English subject, so maybe that is the place that okay, so they are not in tourist, okay, attraction, okay, or not often the tourists go to their country, but mostly all the country is speaking, okay, English, spoken English. Okay, so next, what are the skills that we will use and must to improve in this subject? So what are the skills, okay, that we will use, okay? So we need to apply and we must to enhance in this subject. So we have the reading skills. Okay, that is the time you read the books. Writing skills, so that is the time you are using the pen or pencil. Listening skills, so that is the time you are using your sense of hearing. And spelling, okay, so that is the time you're using your brain to spell something like goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Okay, next, speaking, so that is the time you open your mouth. So you talk to me, you talk to others, okay? Speaking and memorizing, okay? So memorizing, okay, that is the time you need to remember. So reading, writing, okay, spelling and speaking is easy when you know how to memorize, okay? So don't forget. So we have our quiz here, we have our worksheet. So thank you so much for today class. So I hope you learned something for today and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.